Good afternoon, students of class 6 part. So, we are again discuss the subtraction and addition of integers. Okay. So minus plus minus 5 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. What will be the answer? Pinjal minus 3, wrong answer. Kishendu, wrong answer. Pinjal, wrong answer. Ananya, wrong answer. Sorry, wrong answer. Kishendu, again you are giving wrong answer. Okay, just think about it carefully. Only 7 students, minus 7. Yes, now you are right. Just observe that 5 and 2, sign of 5 minus, sign of 2 minus. So both are in minus sign. Both are in minus sign and both are in the same sign. I have told you that same sign addition, opposite sign subtraction. Same sign add, opposite sign subtract. Okay. So as there are some sign which are in the same sign, 5 and 2. Just add 5 and 2. 5 and 2, 7. Now, what will be the sign, plus or minus? What is the sign here mentioned? That is minus. So, minus 7. Got it? Got it? Just a few minutes ago I have discussed it. Okay. Minus 3, minus 7. Minus 3, minus 7. Yes, almost all of you have given right answer. First of all, 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are given in the same sign. So add, same sign means we know that add. 3 and 7, adding 3 and 7 we get 10. What will be the sign? Minus or plus? Both the numbers 3 and 7 are given in minus sign. So it will be minus 10. Okay. Next. Next. Yes, sorry, you are giving the first right answer. Very good. Well done. Minus 9, minus 16. Minus 9, minus 16. Write it down the answer. Vinayak, minus 25. Preyoshi, minus 25. Anyone else? Saptora said wrong answer. Kinjal, right answer. Ananya, right answer. Meghomita, right answer. Meghomita, Sushendu, right answer. So minus 9 and minus 6. 9 plus same sign. Same sign means add 16 plus 9, 25. What is the sign? Minus. Got it? So minus 25 is the right answer. So we have discussed when the numbers are in the same sign. When number is the same sign. Now, next question, that is brackets. Regarding the brackets, plus plus, I have discussed in your class. That is plus into plus, plus plus into minus, minus minus into plus, minus minus into minus, plus. I have also that chart I have also written on the board, and I hope you have copied it from the board. Okay. So using that table, solve this one. Minus 9, minus of minus 16. Yes, I have written. Very good, sorry. -9 minus of -16. Write it down quickly. Write it down quickly. -7. Vinayak. Okay. Let's see. -7. Saptara Sen -7. Kinjal -7. Sisendhu Abir -7. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Tori Bonik and Ohana -7. And okay, I think those which are present in the call almost giving the answer -7. Priyosi almost right, given -7 answer. Let's see your answer is right or wrong. I have told you that bracket means multiplication. To remove the bracket, you should use the multiplication operation. So minus into minus. From the chart, just observe what is the product of two minus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus, just give your feedback. What will be the minus into minus plus? Now you are answering. Ohana is the first student who have answered 7. Okay. So that is minus into minus plus 16. Now opposite sign. Both are the opposite sign. 16 and 9. Opposite sign. Opposite sign means subtraction. Which one is greater? 16 and 9 is smaller. So 16 minus 9, that is 7. What will be the sign? 16 and 9, 16 is greater. Sign of 16 plus, so plus 7 equal to plus. Got it? Almost all of you have given wrong answer. Now Ohana or the student have given the first right answer. Next question. Observe it carefully. Observe it carefully. Okay? -8 plus of -6. Kinjal -14. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Saptora -14. Okay, Vinayak have given the wrong answer. Vinayak, that is minus. You have written -2. That is the wrong answer. Let's see. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus. That is -6. -8 -6. Both are the same sign. 8 and 6 are the same sign. So adding. Add 8 and 6. That is 14. So what will be the sign? 8 and 6 are in the same sign. And what is the sign? Minus. So -14. Got it? Plus 14. Sorry, wrong answer. Next one. -7 of -2. Ananya +9. Okay. Anyone else? -9. Okay. Prayosisen -9. Sisendhu -9. Ohana Sisendhu -5. Okay. So I think Preyosi have given the right answer. And all of the wrong answer. First of all, nothing is there. Before 2, nothing, no sign is there. It means there is plus sign. There is plus sign. So minus into plus. Minus into plus. That is minus. -2. 7 and 2 are the same sign. 7 and 2 are in the same sign. So add 7 and 2. That is 9. And what will be the sign? That will be both the sign are in minus or -9. Got it? Got it? Yes. Next. -3 minus of -7. Ohana answer 4. Ohana answer 4. Okay. अभी wrong answer बेटा, that is not that will be not -4. Sorry Bonik, -4. Let's see. So first of all, minus into minus, minus into minus, that is plus. Now opposite sign, sign of 7, that is plus, sign of 3 minus. So which one is greater? 7. So subtract 3 from 7, then we get 4. What will be the sign? Plus or minus? 7 is greater, sign of 7 plus, so answer will be plus 4. Okay, next sum. -3 minus or -11. -8, not -8, that is -3 minus or -11, product of minus, product of 2 minus, product of 2 minus, that is plus, so plus 11, -3 plus 11, -3 plus 11, that is both are in the opposite sign, both are in the opposite sign. So opposite sign means subtraction, opposite sign means subtraction. So subtraction, that is 11 minus 3, 8, as 11 is the greater number, so plus sign, that is 8. Okay, some of you have still doing -8. Okay, Tori, Sishendu. Okay, what is the problem, Tori and Sishendu? Why you are doing wrong? Stop sharing screen. Okay, one student he is sharing his screen, mobile screen, but stop doing that. Okay, next time you have to answer right answer. Okay, sorry, get ready for the next question. Just think carefully, then write your answer. -50 minus or -25. Anonna, wrong answer. Sorry, again you have given wrong answer. Again you have given wrong answer. -25. Let's see. Minus into minus, plus 25. 25 and 50, both are in the opposite side. So opposite side means subtraction. Which one is greater, 50 or 25? 50 is greater. So subtract 50, 25 from 50, that is 25. So answer is 25. Now what will be the sign? 50 is greater. What is the sign of 50? Minus. So minus 25 is the answer. Okay, minus 25 is the answer. Next sum. Tell me, what will be the answer? Carefully. Shishandu and Tori, carefully. -11, wrong answer. Wrong answer. Shishandu plus 11, okay. SK minus 10, Nisad. How did you get minus 10? Let's see. Minus 11, look at the board. Everyone look at the board. Okay. So minus and minus. Product of two minus. That is plus minus into minus. I have told you earlier that minus into minus plus. So plus 22. Now 11 and 22, sign of 11 minus, sign of 22 plus. So both are in the opposite sign. Opposite sign means subtraction. Which one is greater? 22. Which one is smaller? 11. So subtract 22, 11 from 22. That is 11. Now what will be the sign? Plus 11 or minus 11? Which one is greater? 22 is greater. Sign of 22, that is plus. So answer is plus 11. That equal to plus 11. Got it? Got it? Yes, Vinayak, you have also written minus 11. Okay, I am giving you some more example such that your that hesitation or confusion of minus plus will be clear. Minus 8 minus of minus 6. Kausalya plus 2 SK plus 2. Okay. SK. Shishandu, wrong. Preyosi, wrong. Ohana, right. I think you are not observing, you are not following the rules. What I am saying, each and every sum, what I am saying the step, each and every sums you are not following. That's why sorry, answer minus 2. This time you are giving right answer, sorry. Okay. So first step, minus into minus. What will be the sign minus into minus? That is plus 6. Now sign of 8 and sign of 6 are opposite. Which one is greater? 8. So subtract 6 from 8, that is 2. So write it down here 2. And what will be the sign? Sign of 8. Sign of 8, that is minus. So minus 2. Just step by step. Step by step, okay? Next sum. Next sum, I hope that all of you will give the answer correctly. Okay, just make it 80. Minus 70 minus of minus 80. Kausalya, wrong answer. Abhi, wrong answer. Kausalya, sorry, right, Kausalya, wrong answer. Sorry, Bonik, plus 10, right answer. Okay, let's see. So minus 70, minus into minus. Minus into minus, that is 80 and 70. 80 and 70, that is plus 10, because 80 is greater and 70 is smaller. So 80 10, 80 is greater, so plus 10. Sign of 80 plus. Got it or any doubt? Got it or any doubt? First of all, students, you are enjoying this class or not? You are feeling bored with that similar type of sums? Tell me. Tell me. Are you feeling bored with the same type of sums? But I am giving same type of sums because, students, I want to clear your doubts regarding plus minus. That's why I am giving repeatedly. Repeatedly I am giving the same sums because such that your doubt, your concept will be clear on plus minus of integers. Okay. Sir, I cannot understand. Yes. I. Which one? Last topic, last type of sums you are not understand. Yes, sorry. Last, that is bracket sums. Yes, sir. So just stop doing one sum. Just follow the next sum. Just follow the next sums. What I am doing. What I am doing. Okay. These sums specially for Tori. Okay. Look at the board. Tori, look at the board carefully. First step. Minus into minus. What will be answer? Okay. Give your feedback. Tori. Minus into minus. Minus into, yes, plus. So plus 4. Okay. Now 2 and 4 are same sign or opposite sign? Must write your answer, Tori. 2 and 4 are the same sign or opposite sign? Same sign or opposite sign? Opposite sign. Opposite sign means subtraction or addition? Opposite sign means subtraction or addition? Minus, okay. So minus. So 4 and 2, which one is greater? 4 and 2 is smaller. 2 minus 4, 2 from 4, that is 2. Okay. Now what will be the sign of that 2? Plus or minus? Consider this 2 and 4. Which one is greater? 4. What is the sign of 4? That is plus. So plus 2. Got it? Got it, Tori? Yes or no, or a little bit? Yes, yes, sir. Okay. I hope next sums will be correct. Step by step you have to follow, beta. Do it, everyone. Studies minus 5. Sorry, are you confident about that answer? Have you solved the sums on the copy? Then how can you answer? Just guess. But your answer is right, beta. Look at the board. Look at the board. Minus 10. Minus into minus. Plus. Minus into minus. Plus. So minus 10 and plus 5. Both are the opposite sign. Both are the opposite sign. Opposite sign means subtraction. Which one is greater? 10. And which one is smaller? 5. So subtract it. So answer is 5. Now, what will be the sign of that plus 5? That 5 plus or minus. 10 and 5, which one is greater? 10. What is the sign of 10? Minus. So minus 5 is the right answer. Minus 5 is the right answer. Very good. Also less written one statement. That is very good. Okay. So minus 5 is the right answer. So students, I hope you are feeling bored. You are getting bored for same type of sum. I am also feeling bored. Okay. So next day I will again discuss it. Next day I will say, sir, we are not, but I am feeling bored because I am giving a lot of examples. Still some of you are doing wrong sum. Okay. I am not getting bored, but I am getting bored, Ananda. So first of all, one more, sir, for clearing my doubt. Okay. For last sum for 30. Okay. And also you. Last sum for clearing your doubt. Okay. Okay. No need to hurry. Just solve the sum on your copy. Then you will answer. Okay. No need to. First you have to solve the sum on your copy. Then write it down in the chat box. Sorry, you are confident for that answer that is -2? Just solve the sum on your copy. Okay, let us check. Let us check that is right or wrong. Your answer -2. Okay? Minus into minus. Answer it quickly. Sorry, answer it. Minus into minus. What will be the +9 or -9? Yes, +9. Okay? +9. Now 7 in minus and 9 in plus. So both are in the opposite sign. Which one is greater? 9. 9 is greater. And which one is smaller? So 7. Opposite sign means subtraction. Opposite sign means subtraction. So -2. What will be the sign? What will be the sign of 2? Plus or minus? We know that as 9 is greater, so that sign will be here. That will be sign of 9, that is plus, so here will be plus, that equal to 2. But you have answered -2. Okay? And that is, I am giving the last sum. I am giving the last sum, and I hope all of you will give the correct answer. Okay, ready for the get ready for the next sum. Kaushalya, okay, Vinayak. Now, sorry morning, now you are giving right answer. So that is -9. Minus into minus, +2. Opposite sign, subtraction. Which one is greater? So write it down 9. Which one is smaller? So 2. Opposite sign means subtraction. That is minus. So 7. So 7. What will be the sign of 7? Plus or minus? As 9 is greater, what is the sign of 9? That is minus. So put it here, minus sign. Got it? Yes, Kaushalya, you have answered fast. So well done. So Tori, is it clear to you? That type of sum, the minus and given into minus bracket. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Ananya. Very good. Sir, yes, sir. Now clear. Okay. Next day again we will solve this type of question. So today I end this class here. Thank you. Bye.